If 3x minus 1 over 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2 is greater than 1 over 4 minus x, then the interval of values of x is dash. So this is an algebra question, a question on algebra, and particularly it is on inequality. So this is JAMB 1978 mathematics question 19. All right, let's break it down. Solution, we have 3x minus 1 over 4 all raised to the power of negative 1 over 2 greater than 1 over 4 minus x. So what we have here is a lot of problem. First of all, this negative fractional power is a problem. Secondly, this fraction itself is another problem. Thirdly, this fraction itself is another problem. How do you now get rid of all these problems? Let's go. So first of all, for us to have negative power here, if I want this negative to become positive, that means I will swap between the numerator and the denominator of this, of the content of the bracket. So, of course, you should remember that x over y all raised to the power negative a will give me y over x all raised to the power of a. So, if you look at this, you will see that I have swapped between the numerator and the denominator, and there is no longer negative here. So we can prove this, but we don't have time for that now. So let's go. From here, I will have 3x minus, okay, let's write this as 4 over 1. And 4 over 1 is the same thing as 4. All raised to the power of 1 over 2. No more negative. This is greater than 1 over 4 minus x. Now, 4 raised to power half means square root of, so, you know, power half means square root. That means I will have 3x minus root 4 greater than 1 over 4 minus x. What is square root of 4? That is 2. So I will have 3x minus 2 greater than 1 over 4 minus x. Now, so major part of my problem is already solved. The next thing is, how do I take care of this fraction? If I multiply 2 by 4, so because the LCM of all the denominators will be 4. If I multiply everything, each term by 4, this 4 will go away. So I'll start with this. 4 times 3x, that will give me 12x. Minus 4 times minus 2, that will give me minus 8. Greater than, if I multiply 1 over 4 times 4, 4 will cancel 4. This is it. 1 over 4 times 4. 4 here 1, 4 here 1. So I'll be left with 1. So here, instead of writing 1 over 4, I will have 1 minus 4 times x, that will give me 4x. So from here, let me continue from here. So I can collect like terms. Negative 4x can come here to become 12x plus 4x. And that will still be greater than. I have 1 here and I have negative 8 here. So this will give me what? 1 plus 8 if I move the 8 to the other side. 12x plus 4x, that will give me 16x greater than 9. So divide both sides by 16. The inequality sign will not change because 16 is a positive number. If you divide both sides by positive, nothing will change. So that means x will be greater than 9 over 16. And keep the inequality sign like that. So check the option. You see that option E is our answer. Thank you.